We have practice Q&A. So I have 20 questions here. Pili tago sa usa. So ikaw na. Ansay.
20.
Number 20. Ready? Many people think climate change is a joke. What would you do to convince them otherwise?
I would convince them otherwise in a way that I will show proof or a
B, C, D.
FG.
I will show them that climate change is really happening and yeah.
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 Choose.
17.
Number 17. Many teen girls are becoming pregnant today. Do you think they should be punished for their actions?
Teenage pregnancy is really happening. But for me as a woman, I don't disagree that they should be punished. So, in order to address this problem, I'd rather offer them or to convince others to educate themselves so that others like me is going to have very bright decisions ahead of them. Thank you.
Very good answer.
Thank
Okay, this
you.
time, let's invite Ladies and Grances to the coronation night.
My name is Jessica Jean Rodriguez Amor,
And I am Earl Russell Tusanyeza Cadilinia,
representing the Grade 12 province.
I am inviting you all to come here in Dumaguete City Gymnasium, DCNHS grounds on March 1, 7 p.m.
Also, please support us in clicking the Care React and Heart Reacts for Social Media Award and People's Choice Award. See you!